If you need dental implants, you need to call us. We'll do a free exam and x-rays, and we'll do a 3D image, and that'll tell us what exactly you need and if it's possible. Sometimes you hear something on the radio or see something on the TV, it seems like the perfect solution, but sometimes there's a little bit more to it. As you come in, we can explain the options, explain the best options for you, and figure out if you are a good candidate for dental implants. At Grandridge Dental, we do everything here. We do the surgery for the dental implants, we do the bone grafting here, we place the implants, we restore the implants all in one place. Sometimes it can be a little confusing because you can get a treatment plan from your doctor and you get a treatment plan from the surgeon and then also the restoring dentist. At here we give you one treatment plan, we give you options in every area that we can see that would work in your mouth, and then let you decide as to what the best option is and how we're going to proceed. Every situation is different. Everybody's health is a little bit different. Everybody's on a little bit different medication. And so health and vitality of the person and the teeth and the implant are all interrelated. The best way for you to find out if you're a good candidate for implants is to come in, let us take some x-rays, a CT scan, and find out the bone density, take a look at your gums and see how healthy they are and what we can do for you.